Hello and welcome to, as we always say, not just a show but an experience. Tonight's episode is a racy episode of High Life Dubai. आज के शाम Dubai World Cup के नाम. So come with me and experience the richest race in the world. आज का एपिसोड हम शुरू करेंगे फैशन एंड फिलीज फैशन शो से, एन एनुअल इवेंट हेल्ड एवरी ईयर एट नादल शिवा जस्ट बिफोर द दुबई वर्ल्ड कप. उसके बाद यू कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सम हॉटी हैंड फैशन एट बर्जुमान. And a grand equestrian competition just to set the pace before the races begin. And finally, I'm taking you all to the Grand Dubai World Cup, the richest race in the world.
Well armed in front, he's 5 lengths clear of My Indy, Gloria de Campion, who was perfect on the outside. Well armed at the...
So let's get started with our power-packed episode of High Life Dubai. Horse races are all about designer dresses, fancy hats, dashing men, and lovely and glamorous women. The most highly anticipated annual event, Fashion and Fillies at Nadal Shiva, saw the best race fashion sponsored by Barjuman. After the huge success of Barjuman Fillies and Fashion Show in 2008, the luxury shopping destination had planned 3 such impressive shows at the run-up to the 2009 racing season. Synonymous with being the ultimate luxury fashion trendsetter of the region, Barjuman actively support and give recognition to a wide variety of stylish luxury racewear. This year's lineup of Fillies and Fashion runway shows featured the latest in racewear collection by some of the world's leading designers from a variety of Barjuman's retail partners. रैप में खूबसूरत दुबई मॉडल्स ने अपना जलवा दिखाया and they walked to the beats of the races in the backdrop.
See things happen to me. See things happen to me. Even though I had no show. See things happen to me. And when I'm on the street, see things happen to me. Happens everywhere I go. See things happen to me. When I walk in a club, see things happen to me. And I'm feeling the love. See things happen to me. Just the fact
Fillies and Fashion highlights Barjuman's contribution to the racing season, filled with both fashion and entertainment. This event remains a favorite among Dubai's style-savvy race-going community and will continue to deliver exclusive runway shows, including the latest in fashion brands to the public this season.
See things happen to me. See things happen to me. Even though I had no show. See things happen to me. And when I'm on the street, see things happen to me. Happens everywhere I go. See things happen to me. See things happen to me. Even though I had no show. See things happen to me. And when I'm on the street, see things happen to me. Happens everywhere I go. Crazy things happen to me. Crazy things, crazy things.
अब कौन सा घोड़ा जीतेगा वो तो बात की बात है, लेकिन रेस में कौन सी लड़की बेस्ट ड्रेस कंपटीशन जीतेगी वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. By the way, I was a judge in one of these fashion events and it was such fun to see all these lovely women dressed in their gorgeous clothes and hats. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया and I'm sure you're enjoying it too.
Girls gathering around, girls gathering around, crazy things things happen to me, and they turn into family. Crazy things happen to me when I get out the crib. Crazy things happen to me, and I'm so chill. Crazy things happen to me. I know that I might sound stuck up. The craziest things happen to me. Trust me, I'm thankful for what I got. Ooh, but sometimes you can't believe it.
Who says the winner takes it all? ऐसे competition में तो participate करना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's the spirit of fun that matters. It's time for me to take a short break, but the fun has just begun, so don't go anywhere. Coming up, break के बाद देखेंगे hat fashion at Barjuman with the fanciest hats of the season and an equestrian competition you just don't want to miss. Welcome back, and it's time to take the fashion stakes a little higher, and I mean quite literally. क्योंकि सर से ज़्यादा ऊपर और क्या हो सकता है? You're confused? Don't be, because I'm talking about hat fashion.
My name is Philip Wright. I'm from Walter Wrights, which is my family firm. It was established in 1889. My family have been making hats for about 400 years, which means I'm one of the oldest hat families in England. I've designed 155 all different, all unique pieces. Some are classical hats with brims, some are more of the sculptured abstract shapes with explosions of feathers and just dramatic detail. So they've all been inspired for the Dubai World Cup this year. After my experiences last year, I sort of got a bit more of a feel for the ladies who'd be going to the races. All milliners have got their own handwriting and their own methods. Depending on what they look at an individual, how they see an individual, how they perceive their customer. For me, a lot of what I look at when I'm with a customer is their eyes. So my hats tend to really enhance the eye line here. If you follow the eyebrow or the shape of the eye, I like a brim in general to follow round the shape of the eye, so it then contours around the face, and without the hat you're looking at the face, with the hat you're looking, it draws the focus into the eyes. That's what I like, that's my handwriting.
रेसेस में प्रॉपर हैट के बगैर कोई भी ड्रेस इनकम्प्लीट लग सकती है, और हर साल की तरह बर्जुमान में एक बार फिर एक यूनिक एग्जीबिशन रखी गई where the milliners from all over the world came and showcased their art.
Hi, I'm Louise Harrison. I'm an accessories designer from England. I studied trained textiles, fine art. Everything I do, I make everything by hand. I'm participating in the millinery exhibition, even though I'm not a milliner, I'm an accessories designer, but I make little matching sets. So I make sleeves, corsages, and then little hair accessories and fascinators. I stiffen a lot of my fabrics, so you've got the same sleeve, and then you've got the hair piece in the same fabric. So I stiffen all the fabrics and then I make good shapes with them, and some of them I use wire, some of them I use anything really, anything that looks nice. It's always pretty OTT. I mean, everybody, dresses up to the nines, which is fantastic. Everyone makes a real effort. But I think it's kind of anything goes in Dubai, because you've guaranteed you've got good weather, so you're not going to get rained on. Like in the UK in Ascot, it's a bit different. But I think, you know, people wear